Afternoon, welcome back. Ash Kendra here from the Nightcliff Tigers Fishing Club. This afternoon, something very exciting. Going to be doing an unboxing, one of our new reels for the tournament coming up. Actually today, one super excited, the Daiwa Ryoga. Compare it against one I've already got, a Calcutta Conquest DC from Japan, and just see the differences and see the quality, and let's have a look. This Daiwa Ryoga is supposed to be special. Hey everyone, here we go. Daiwa Ryoga. Box, just a big shout out quickly to our sponsors, Boca Bearings. We're actually getting a bearing upgrade kit for this, so I'm going to be putting that in once we've got it, once you've checked it out the first time. Usual, as we all know, Japanese, come from Japan, the packaging in Japanese. I've had to cut it open because it took me a couple of minutes because of the quality. Proof of delivery, all that stuff. Don't need to see any of that. What do we got here? May all your dreams come true. So unusual. Wowee, how cool is that? Carved out of plastic. Customer service. We definitely don't get anything like that in Australia, so that's pretty amazing. And another handwritten note. Wow. It's amazing. Handwritten, Japanese guy, handwritten in English, phone numbers, names. That's amazing. Really appreciative. Do appreciate that. Hiroshi, Sasaki, thank you very much. That's awesome. Check that out. It's out of a straw. That's pretty cool. Check that out more a bit later. Let's get into this reel. There's the box. 1520cc. I obviously got a right hand reel. I prefer right handed. 1520c, it's the big boy. 5.41 gear ratios, 270 grams, 9.5 ounces, 6 kilo drag or 13.2 pounds, 61 centimeters per turn or 24 inches. That's pretty good, and 12 ball bearings. Should hold about 230 meters, and then nylon about 125, 16 pound, and 100 meters at 20 pound. So, a fairly decent reel, which is what I'm going to need. I need at least 150, 200 meters on there. What I'm doing. Let's get in there. All in Japanese. Breakdown. Definitely need that. We're doing our upgrade with the Boca bearings to make it even better than what it is now, so I'm going to need that to check it all out. But oh, it's good. It's got part numbers in English as well, so that's awesome, and in French, so that's good. Not as bad as I was expecting. I haven't owned any Daiwas, so I've pretty much been Shimano, but I looked at this and it looked really good, so can't wait. All the instructions, we'll go right through that. Looks like a little rubber sleeve there for when you put it on the rod. Take the vibrations, give it a bit more stick. That's pretty cool. Bag. No name brand. Oh yeah, there's a name brand down there. Daiwa down the bottom. You can see that. For a powerful reel, it's pretty small. Holy hell, that's nice. Wow, that's smooth. There's just no play in it. It's just the fit. You just feel it. Now you get some reels that just sort of got a little bit of play when you wind it. Even new reels, it just feels really well put together. Mag brake, adjustability. There's a second notch. I'm not sure if you can see it just on one of the small ones. So there's all these little notches around here. There's one that's got a little raised notch on it, so that'll be your identifier for your mag brakes. Don't know how good that's going to be when you got wet, slippery hands with fish guts and stuff on them. So that's the only thing I noticed on that side. Just really good fit and finish. Absolutely, really well done. Really well put together. Uses what's it got here? Just hex screws. Hex screws to put it together on the main frame. That's a little bit different. Not sure how I get all this apart. I have to work all that out. Nice solid drag aluminium handle. Nice levers there, very much like it. Just whisper quiet too, just nothing. Even that, there's just no, like there's no play in the thumb clutch. Oh, there's that. Engage. It's really nice. Really nice. Crazy cranker. Well, it's definitely going to get its work done. Going to get some braid on there. We definitely will need some braid on it. Mag force, G1 mag force, Z wheel. Drum on it. Let's pull it apart, eh? Righto, now there's a lever here. Just have to double check that, but yeah, there's, you see a little lever under the road, come down under the thumb clutch, left hand side. Little lever there, and then it's like a wiggle. That pulls your drum apart. Put it there. Ball bearings in there. There'll be one. We'll be upgrading to a blocker, sealed orange. 16 pound, 125 meters, 20 pound, 100. Nice little drum. Some good nick that. Brand new. Just everything's so solid. The beauty of one piece aluminium. When they machined it, it's just got such a great base to start from. It's just bearing on there. To be replacing that one. Yeah, no, beautiful. Very nice. Very nice. Yeah, so there it is. Daiwa Ryoga. I'm not going to pull this side apart just yet. I don't really need to get into there. Everything I need is going to be on here for that. I'll do that when we go to replace the bearing, because I don't want to get any crap in there, brand new. What I'm going to do is get some, next break I'll get some line, put it on here, and then we'll take it out for a cast, see what it does, see what it's like out in the river. Put a lure on it. Locked in. Even that, like that's solid. Yeah, anyway, so there we go. Daiwa Ryoga. Looking at goods. Really impressed. As I said, I've never used Daiwa. Well, pretty much been a Shimano. Everything I've used from Corrados to Calcuttas, pretty much Calcuttas most of the time. Do a lot of trawling in territory where I'm from and in the Barra, so I think this is definitely going to be up there. I think my brother-in-law and mate Ninja will be definitely trying to get this out of my hands for a go. Anyway, next video I'll have we'll get a video out there with some reel on there. I'll get it all tied up and set up, and we'll take it out for a fish. All right, Daiwa Ryoga. New reel, great stuff. Go Tigers. Rawr.